How to sell crypto on Kraken. Hi everyone, today in this following video I'll be showing you how you can sell crypto on Kraken. So in order to sell crypto on Kraken, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, also that you've already verified your account. Now then, to begin with, log into your Kraken account. Once logged in, this is going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy or that you wish to sell. After that, you need to go ahead and enter in all of these information. So go through it all and select sell located right at the bottom. Do all of these. Make sure to follow the instructions. After you've done with that procedure, lastly you'll have to go through it all and make sure to confirm all the details that you've provided. If you're sure about it, then click the sell button located on the bottom, and then you've successfully sold crypto on, or in this way you can send crypto on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.